Do you know how to make $100 a day online? What if I told you it could be done in less than 2 minutes? You won't believe how easy it is until you watch this video. I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to make $100 a day online without spending a dime. Are you ready to take your financial freedom into your own hands? If so, then let's get started. Number 1, start a blog. It's easier than ever to start a blog and make money online. With platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, anyone can set up a website in minutes. Once you have a website, you can monetize it with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. You can also sell products or services on your website. The best part is that you don't need to spend any money to get started. You can use free trials or low-cost hosting plans to get your website up and running. And once you have some content published, you can start earning ad revenue right away. Number 2, sell stock photos and videos. If you have a camera, you can take photos and videos and sell them on websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe. You can earn commissions of up to 30% on your sales, and there are no limits to how much you can earn. The best part is that once you upload your content, you can earn passive income for years to come. Number 3, offer freelance services. If you have skills like writing, editing, graphic design, or web development, you can offer your services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. You can set your own rates and work on projects that fit your schedule. Plus, you don't need to spend any money to market your services. Number 4, become a social media influencer. If you're active on social media, you can become an influencer and make money from brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. You don't need to buy expensive equipment or hire a team to help you. You can do it all yourself. Just focus on providing value in your niche and building an engaged following. Once you have some clout, brands will start reaching out to you for collaborations. Number 5, teach online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. You can teach anything you want and set your own price. Plus, you don't need to spend any money on marketing. Your course will be visible to the platform's massive user base. Number 6, start a YouTube channel. All you need is a camera and a passion for a particular topic, and you can start your own YouTube channel. You can make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And the best part is that once your videos are published, they can bring in passive income for years to come. Number 7, offer virtual assistant services. If you're organized and detail-oriented, you can become a virtual assistant and provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses. You can find clients on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru, and set your own hours. Number 8, transcribe audio files. If you have excellent listening and typing skills, you can transcribe audio files for companies like Rev and Scribby. You'll be paid per audio hour, and you can work as much or as little as you like. Number 9, write and sell ebooks. If you love to write, you can write and sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can earn up to 70% royalties on your ebook sales, and there are no upfront costs to get started. Number 10, start a podcast. Podcasting is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas and build an audience. You don't need expensive equipment to get started, and you can monetize your podcast with sponsorships, memberships, and merchandise sales. There you have it. 10 simple ways to make $100 a day online without spending a dime. With a little creativity and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online business. So don't give up and keep hustling. Good luck. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more great tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.